Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic budget line. In the previous classes we discussed about the indifference curve and the graphical representation of that. In this budget line we are going to discuss the same combination of these two commodities gives the same level of satisfaction, but we don't know then which combination the consumer will select. So far, we have discussed different combination of two goods that provide same level of satisfaction. But which combination will a consumer actually purchase? Depends upon his income, that we call consumer budget, and prices of the two commodities. So consumer budget states the real income or purchasing power of the consumer from which he can purchase certain quantitative bundles of two goods at a given price. It means a consumer can purchase only those combinations or bundles of goods which cost less than or equal to his income. Suppose you have 50 rupees, then this different combination of two goods, that goods the maximum you can spend is rupees 50 because your consumer budget or purchasing power is rupees 50. So you can buy till 50 or less than 50. So the which combination that gives more satisfaction or the maximum satisfaction, that combination you will select based on the price of the two commodities and your consumer budget or your income. Budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combinations of two goods which can be purchased with a given income and prices. So here we are considering income and prices. In the indifference curve analysis we discussed about the graphical representation of different combination of two goods. Here we discuss that combination of two goods which can be purchased with the given income and prices. So prices we are considering here and the income of the consumer also we are considering in this budget line, such that the cost of each of these combinations is equal to the money income of the consumer. So all these combinations of these two goods that is equal to the money income of the consumer. Alternately, budget line is locus of different combination of the two goods which the consumer consumes and which cost exactly his income. Through example, we can easily understand. Let us understand the concept of this budget line with the help of an example. Suppose a consumer has an income of rupees 20. So you have only 20 rupees in your hands. Then he wants to spend it on two commodities. Then you want to buy two commodities. So this two commodity cases, this indifference curve analysis that came. So X and Y, that are the two goods and both are priced at rupees 10 each. Then both X and Y that price rupees 10 each. Now the consumer has three options to spend his entire income. So three options that particular consumer will get, that is buy 2 units of X, 10 rupees each. So then X 2 unit you buy, then 2 into 10, 20 rupees. Buy 2 units of Y, then that time you full buy Y, 2 units of Y, then 2 into 10, 20 rupees. Or buy 1 unit of X and 1 unit of Y. Another option you will get, that is 1x, 1y, that is 10 plus 10, 20. It means possible bundles can be 20. 20 means 2x, 0y. Then that time you only buy commodity X. That time this Y commodity you can't buy Y because the full amount you spend for buying X. Then second case Y. That time 0x, 2y. Then third option 1x 1y. So when all these three bundles are represented graphically, we get a downward sloping straight line known as budget line. It is also known as price line. Price line otherwise we call budget line. So all these combinations or these bundles or the three bundles are represented graphically, or graphically we are representing the combination of these two goods in the price and the income of the consumer. Then we get a downward sloping straight line known as budget line. Next one is budget set. Budget set is the set of all possible combination of the two goods which a consumer can afford given his income and prices in the market. Through example, you can easily understand. In addition to three options, the previous case three options we learned, then there are some more options available to the consumer within his income. Even if entire income is not spent, suppose you are not ready to spend your full income, then more options you will get. Budget set includes all the bundles with the total income of rupees 20, that is possible bundles or consumers bundles are. That means budget set that shows this combination, all possible combination of the two goods which a consumer can afford given his income and prices in the market. All possible combinations shows in this. That means 0 that time you don't buy both this x and y. Then 20 rupees you have, then you can buy the x and y one each or both, that full amount you can spend for x commodity or y commodity, or one each. So here budget set they are saying all possible combinations discussing in this. That means 0 x 0y, that means you are not ready to buy. Then 0 and 1, no x commodity and a 1 y commodity, that means only rupees 10 you spend in this. Then second option, the next option 02 means not x and full 2 units of y you buy, you can buy. Then next opposite this one 1x 0y and 2x 0y and 1 each. Then consumers bundle is a quantitative combination of two goods which can be purchased by a consumer from his given income. Okay, here this quantitative combination of two goods which can be purchased, you can purchase by using this consumer's income from his given income. That means 20 rupees your income, you can purchase it. Okay, but in the budget line that shows the all possible combination of two goods which can be purchased with the given income and prices, such that the combination, the cost of each of this combination is equal to the money value of the consumer. That is the point, very important point in budget line.